Hello and welcome. My name is Amul and you are watching Ease Coding. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your LibreOffice writer page legal page. So how to convert a standard or A4, A3 pages to legal pages in LibreOffice Writer. Go to Format, Page Style. You can also press Ctrl Shift P, I guess, which is not working. So I will have to check it once again. It's a Control Alt P, so you can press Control Alt P and that doesn't work, guess. Now it's opening up, but that's not what we are looking for, so I'm going to show you standard way. So go to Format, Page Style. Oh, that was Shift, I'm really sorry. Okay, let's try again. Here we go. So go to Shift Alt P. Hopefully you are going to remember it forever if you use LibreOffice. So Shift Alt P, or you can go to Format, Page Style. This keeps changing, I think. And then go to Page, and then here you can select Legal, and I don't see any option to make it a default. Page style, so you can simply apply and say OK. Gutter position, this is page number, layout setting, etc, etc, and then you can see this is your legal page format or style in LibreOffice Writer. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.